Hello, my dear online students. How are you? I think you are fine. In previous class, we have discussed about bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this class, we shall discuss about homework question and examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, homework question was write the IUPAC name of this compound. For IUPAC naming of this chloro-derivative compound, first of all, write its structure. So its structure is here 3 carbon atoms 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms present in longest carbon chain. So numbering of carbon atoms from this end 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So its IUPAC name is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Mean 7. Heptachloro. Heptachloro. It is trichloromethyl substitute. So 2 with position 2 trichloro methyl propane. I think your answer will be right. Now next, I repeat some important concept for nucleophilic substitution reactions. Increasing order of different haloalkanes towards SN1 reaction is methyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide and 3 degree alkyl halide. Increasing order because in unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, carbocation is formed as a intermediate, while increasing order of haloalkanes towards bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is just opposite of SN1 reaction, because in SN2 reaction the nucleophile attacks from the opposite side of halogen atom. It is known as backside attack. Very important. SN1 is a first order reaction, whereas SN2 is a second order reaction. Today I am going to discuss about some examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So first reaction is synthesis of alkyl cyanide. Synthesis of alkyl cyanide. When alkyl halide react with aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide solution, then alkyl cyanide is formed. So it is alkyl halide molecule and it is potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide is a ionic compound, so it is positive part and it is negative part of cation. Here cyanide ion is a nucleophile, so cyanide ion attacks on partial positive charged carbon of haloalkane. So product will be alkyl cyanide and potassium halide. If alkyl group is methyl, ethyl, etc., then corresponding cyanide is formed. For example, here alkyl group is methyl, so we take an example of haloalkane molecule. It is methyl chloride and it is potassium cyanide. When methyl chloride react with aqueous alcoholic cation, then methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile. Here it is two carbon contain compound. So then methyl cyanide is formed and byproduct is KCl. Here methyl chloride, which is one carbon contain compound, is converted into two carbon contain compound methyl cyanide. Next, very important, alkyl cyanide is very useful compound for preparation of different organic compounds. For example, it is alkyl cyanide molecule. After complete hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide in presence of dilute HCl, so here two water molecule and presence of dilute HCl. It is a complete hydrolysis process. So after complete hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide, carboxylic acid is formed and byproduct is ammonium chloride. During the reaction, cleavage of triple bond of two water molecule like this, one water molecule and second water molecule. So I repeat, during the reaction, cleavage of triple bond of two water molecule like this. From triple bond between carbon and nitrogen, so it is the structure of alkyl cyanide molecule. Here triple bond of two water molecule is cleavaged by triple bond of carbon nitrogen bond. So finally product will be carboxylic acid is formed. Initially 2 pi bond, one and second. 2 pi bonds are cleavage between carbon nitrogen. So one oxygen, 2 bond from 2 bond. So one oxygen atom is attached to the carbon atom by double bond. After this, one sigma bond last between carbon nitrogen bond. So I repeat, after this one sigma bond is cleavage between carbon nitrogen, then OH group of water molecule is attached to the carbon atom. So finally carboxylic acid is formed in this reaction. In this next reaction, partial hydrolysis. Partial hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide mean one water molecule is consumed here, then alkanamide, or we can say amide, is formed in this reaction. In this reaction, by partial reduction of alkyl cyanide is converted into amide. During this reaction, 2 pi bonds are cleavage with 2 bond of one water molecule, 1. So amide is formed. So I repeat, by partial hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide in presence of concentrate HCl, amide is formed. Now next, In third reaction, by complete reduction of alkyl cyanide, here reducing mixture is Na plus ethanol, then 1 degree amine, very important, 1 degree amine is formed. It is known as Mendius reaction. Name reaction, it is known as Mendius reaction. Here reducing mixture is sodium plus ethanol. During this reaction, two pi bonds are cleavaged between carbon and nitrogen. Two pi bonds are cleavaged between carbon and nitrogen bond. Then two hydrogen atoms are attached to carbon and nitrogen atoms. Therefore, finally product will be 1 degree amine. Now next, fourth, by partial reduction of alkyl cyanide, very important, by partial reduction of alkyl cyanide, aldehyde is formed. It is known as Stephan reaction. Very important. During this reaction, initially here reducing mixture is SnCl2 plus HCl. Initially aldamine is obtained. It is aldamine molecule. So in partial reduction of alkyl cyanide, initially aldamine is formed. After hydrolysis of aldamine, aldehyde is formed. So it is aldehyde molecule, and NH3 is byproduct in this reaction. It is known as Stephan reaction. We shall read all reactions in our next chapters of class 12th, chapter 11, chapter 12 and chapter 13. Now next, example of nucleophilic substitution reaction, formation of alkyl isocyanide. When alkyl halide is react with AgCN, then alkyl isocyanide is formed. So it is silver cyanide, which is covalent in nature, and it is haloalkane molecule. Halogen partial negative and alkyl group of haloalkane is partial negative. Here nitrogen atom have one LPE, so attached by nitrogen, then alkyl cyanide is formed after removing of silver halide. Alkyl cyanide is also very useful compound which is used for preparation of organic compounds. For example, it is alkyl cyanide molecule. When complete hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide in presence of sodium plus ethanol reducing mixture, then 2 degree amine is formed. Here 4 hydrogen are generated by this reducing mixture, so 2 degree amine is formed. In other hand, after hydrolysis of alkyl isocyanide, it is hydrolysis. Then 1 degree amine is formed and byproduct is formic acid here. It is 1 degree amine. Now next we take a question for exercise, very important. Alkyl halide give cyanide with potassium cyanide, but isocyanide with silver cyanide as the products. Explain, very important. So solution will be potassium cyanide is a ionic compound, so it gives cyanide ion. It is a ambidentate nucleophile, very important. In cyanide ion, carbon and nitrogen have tendency to donate electron pair but attacks pallage from carbon, because carbon-carbon bond is more stable than carbon-nitrogen. Therefore, potassium cyanide gives alkyl cyanide. Very important. On other hand, AgCN is a covalent bond, and due to presence of LPE on nitrogen, attacks occurs through nitrogen atom, so AgCN gives alkyl isocyanide as the product. It is very important question for your board examination. Now next, third reaction is synthesis of alcohol. Synthesis of alcohol. RX react with aqueous KOH or moist Ag2O, mean AgOH. Then alkanol is formed. So it is haloalkane molecule and it is aqueous KOH. When RX react with aqueous KOH or moist Ag2O, then alcohol or alkanol is formed and byproduct is potassium halide. I hope you liked this video. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.